Firstly, connect the JCD OBD programmer to the vehicle. Wait for the device voice prompt.
The current OBD programmer only support the Jeep 46 series and type M3N OTH. Please confirm the model is correct, and the smart key programming will start soon. Please insert the original car key and turn on the ignition switch. Please turn off the ignition switch. Insert the key to be programmed and turn on the ignition switch. Programming is successful. If you need to continue programming the key, please replug in the OBD programmer to reprogram. Otherwise, please unplug the OBD programmer.
Remove the key we have programmed and tested. Lock. Unlock. Insert the key into the ignition switch and turn it to start the car. All key functions are working properly.